So I went food shopping.
Yeah.
So this is what all I got for the month.
But
I
another
did
on
a
them later.
big shop, because normally my groceries are about 40 quid a month. This came to 100. So if you can imagine, I was a bit shocked when I paid. So yeah, just bringing in everything. And now to put it away. Going through my freezer, what's in date, what's out of date, what needs to be in and about. So I'm just going through everything. And then filling up my freezers because they were like completely empty. So once put everything in, just put my ice creams in the bottom drawer because that's my ice cream drawer, and sorting out everything else. As I said, this week has been crazy, as you'll see later on this video. And then putting everything else in. And it goes, and it goes, and it goes. Jack potato, pastas, more pastas. You know, all the nice stuff, fish. Yeah, and then when my freezer's done, now into the fridge. So my fridge just turned into somehow a drink fridge. So I've cleared that out, and now I'm putting stuff in the fridge that I need all over. So stuff for lunches like fruits, chocolate bars, other things, because we're in a horrible heat wave. So I'm trying to sort that out as much as I can. So that's what I'm doing. Strawberries, which is lovely. And I got myself a little knockoff Actimel from Aldi. So I have that in the morning. And then I got myself very different garlic for my toast in the morning. That's delicious. And more stuff. Right, fridge is all full. That's all sorted. Got my bickies away in my bicky tin. So this is like a rose tin I got for £1 in charity shop. So I love having all my bickies in there. I'm going through the bag, see what else I can find to go in everything. Still end up having bickies on the top. As it can fit. So, right, there's that sorted. And then I'll put away all my canned goods. Jars and stuff in the cupboards. So I'm just lifting them all out in the bag. What is yummy. Lots of sales on Vinted, which I'm so grateful for. I'll take it. And then I just watched the new robot movie called it's called Android. It's a great show. And then this is my packed lunch for work I had. Just crisps, 2 sandwiches, a yogurt and a biggie. Then we went to a farm. It was lovely. We had the baby cows. You could pet and everything. So that's what we did. It's been a while since I've been at the farm. I didn't know that was there. It was a beautiful day out. And then my boyfriend's petting the cow. Just a baby cow that needs pets. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, you're pretty baby. Who's your pretty baby? There's 3 of them in pens, so we were giving them attention and love. And then there's another pen, and then there's a third pen. Don't know what they're called, but we fed them all. Pet them all. Then we had tomato soup, and the yellow thing next to it is the butter. That was beautiful. And then we went to out to eat and a McDonald's, which was lovely. And there's my plate with my apple pie. And then this is me going to go get my eyebrows done. So this is the before. And my eyebrows after. Oh, I feel so much human with it. Just my eyebrows need to be done. And then walking the babies. Because, you know, it's been hot as hell. And the weather's finally started to cool down. So I'm taking the most of it. Out walking the dogs, which is lovely. Then hell broke loose and the water underneath my tap went nuts. So I called my landlord and he fixed it. But oh my fucking god, I came home from a dog walk and my kitchen was flooding. So we had to sort that out. You can see the water's pissing out of there. So I wasn't happy. It goes under my sink and you can see all the water's everywhere and over my kitchen floor. It was fucking awful. Leaking, as you can see. I was like, oh my god. So I grabbed a bunch of towels and shoved them in there, and then he sorted it, and there was still one little bit going, so we stuck a jug underneath, and then we fixed it. So now I have to dry out my kitchen, so that's when I'm climbing over my freezer. So yeah, I'm gonna let my kitchen dry out. Also, I put my dehumidifier in there, which I love, the best fucking Christmas present ever. And so satisfying. So that's what I'm doing, making my cup of tea that way. So for this week I've been drying out my thing, and then I went to Burger King, and got some food, and then so happy. I sold a bunch of stuff in Vinted, and then I put my wash in, and then put my old vintage undergarments